In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access bookmarks in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. If you've ever lost track of your saved websites, or you want to make your bookmarks easier to see and use, this tutorial will help you get there fast. And if you find this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, or your Start menu depending on how you normally launch your browser. Once Chrome opens, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three dots menu icon. This is where Chrome keeps a lot of its settings and tools. Click those three dots to open the main menu. Now move your cursor down to Bookmarks and Lists. When you hover over it, a submenu will appear with more bookmark options. From here, you want to look for the option that says Show Bookmarks Bar. If the bookmarks bar is currently hidden, this will turn it on. Click it once, and you should immediately see the bookmarks bar appear just below the address bar at the top of Chrome. This makes all of your saved bookmarks much easier to access with a single click. If you already have bookmarks saved, they will now be visible right there in front of you. You can click any bookmark to open that website instantly, or use this space to organize your favorite pages for faster browsing. If you want to turn the bookmarks bar off later, just repeat the same steps and click Show Bookmarks Bar again to toggle it off. So, to quickly recap, open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Bookmarks and Lists, and toggle on Show Bookmarks Bar. That's all it takes to access your bookmarks in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial.